everyone, I thought I'd share with you about the many seeds that are growing in the cultural emergence ecosystem. And yeah, there can be many seeds. So this is the Cultural Emergence Empowerment and Design Deck, which comes in a lovely handmade bag, and there's 96 cards there with the whole Cultural Emergence toolkit contained there, the different families. And then we have the Cultural Emergence Effective Design course, which specifically takes us around the design web, the 12 anchor points for creating a design for yourself. And so that looks at the design web, focuses in on the design web, but then uses the other Cultural Emergence tools as well. And then we have the online seed kit, where you get a print-at-home version of the cards and the colouring book and other tutorials about how to use the cards as well. So those are the three seeds, main seeds that are growing in the Cultural Emergence ecosystem. We'd love to have you join in on any or all of those. So I hope that helps clarify the different things that we have on offer here. Thanks a lot. Bye.